loves, I have an easy DIY coming your way, made from Dollar Tree items. This beautiful Keepsake and Vanity box can be yours for only $7. To make this box, you need these following items. 3 acrylic Dollar Tree drawers. These drawers were hard to get into the store, so I ordered them online. 2 packs of Dollar Tree sticker gems. They come in a variety of colors to choose from. 4 mirror squares. Be sure it's all the same style and size. And your tools? You need Dollar Tree glue gun to remove the sponge tabs and the stickers on the back. If you have a scraper, it would help to remove the stickers easily. And lastly, you need scissors. Hello everyone, so let's get started. We have these cute little stackable organizing drawers from Dollar Tree. I've been looking for these for a long time, and they don't keep them in my Dollar Tree very long. When they do get them, they're gone. So what I've done, I just ordered them online. I got a case of 12 for $12. And it didn't take that long to come, maybe about 3-4 days. And I am going to be making these for gifts, either for Christmas or birthdays. Great gift. This is a great DIY. And what I would be making is a mirrored keepsake box. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to stack it 3 high like that using E6000 glue. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to remove the wrapping paper, and we're going to glue these individually. So we're going to take out all the drawers. It works better when all the drawers, ooh, squeaky, all the drawers are out. So we take all the drawers out, and we take the first piece, and basically what you want to do, there's a ridge that's going right around the box area on the top, and then on the bottom there are 2 ridges, and basically they're supposed to lock in place when you stack them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the E6000 glue, and I'm going to get closer so you can see what I'm doing, and we are going to place a bead of glue right along the ridge. Now you don't need that much, just a nice little bead to go right on the ridge. There's a bead of glue right along there on the opposite side, under the ridge. You don't need that much because like I said, you have glue on both sides. So now we're going to lock this in place. And you want to make sure that every area is even. You want everything to be even all the way around. So what I do is set it on the back side and make sure that it's nice and even by pressing down gently on the box, and then on the side I press down gently to make sure that the sides are even, and then on the other side I press down gently. So what happens is when this dry, it will dry evenly, so when you place it, it won't rock or, you know, be unbalanced. So it would just sit flat just like that. So what it would look like, it would look like this. So I had glued this last night and everything is dry, and we have a nice even box here. So now that we have our boxes all glued and it's nice and dry, we're going to take 4 mirrors, and the first mirror, basically what's going to happen is you're going to glue it on the side like this. This is why it's so important that the sides are even. I also cleaned the mirror and got rid of all of the paper on the other side and the little feet. Now, what else you could do with this, and I was going to do that, but I didn't have any more contact paper. You can use some colorful paper like contact paper or some kind of decorative material that you can glue on here. We're going to take this side and we're going to glue this mirror on with some E6000 glue. And we're gonna put a nice little bead down here. And I don't know if you can use hot glue or what have you, but I don't like using hot glue on plastic too much because the plastic starts to get foggy or cloudy. So we're gonna place it on here, make sure it's even. You want a nice sealed seam along the edges here. So if you have to scoot the mirror up a little bit from the base, then that's what you have to do, because you want that to be a tight seal up here when you get ready to glue the top piece. So now I'm placing the mirror on top of the ridge here. Now when you do this, you're only going to put the glue on the top of the ridge. Remember I was saying that ridge that goes all the way around on top of the drawer? That's where you're going to place the glue because it won't touch in the center. Now the back of it is pretty flat, so you can put the glue all the way around. Everything is touching like a nice cube. You see the edges? Very tight. So we don't have to worry about the bottom, just the sides and the top. Now there we have our box. So now we're going to do the drawers. Now you can of course leave the drawers plain in front. I mean, they are pretty with the nice little knobs here, but I like to decorate my drawers and doing it brief style. So we're going to put a little bling on our drawers. We're going to be using this pack of Jot gemstone stickers. They're $1 from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need a pack and a half of this to do all 3 drawers. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to line up our first row of gems on each side of this drawer face, and then we are going to go across on the bottom and across on the top, and then the center here we're going to go straight across and straight across on the other side, and that would get us a nice little template or scale to go by to make sure all our gems are straight and they will be evenly placed on the drawer. So let's get started with that. Each one of these gems, sticker gems, are divided by rows, as you can see here, and they're all connected. And I don't think they will go all the way across. So like I said, we're going to place the first row of gems on the side here. Now you can tear these off or you can use your scissors, but we're going to use our scissors so we can get a nice even cut. So we have our first 5 here, and then at the very top, see how it curves here? So we're going to place a gem slightly to the side. Now it's placed slightly to the side, and then we can go across. So this is how it will look. So I'm going to go all the way across here, do the other side, and then go to the bottom. So here's where you might come into a problem and you might have to do some adjustments. Right here where it touches the knob, we're filling in this line here. And I can tell just by looking at it that this row of gem is not going to fit. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have to take this one up and then move these top gems up toward the top to make enough room to go in this line right here. So that's what we're going to do. The gems are lining up pretty nicely. Here's a completed drawer. So now we're going to clean off our box. We take all that goopy gone off of it, all the glue. Clean it up a little bit with some alcohol, and then we will put our drawers in and see what we have. Okay, so we'll put our drawers in. So what I've done was put 4 gems right on the ends of the knob there so it can look flawless toward the front. We'll put the drawers in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? I like it a lot. This is not bad for my first attempt. I would add black velvet to line the drawers and a decorative material to line the side mirrors, and maybe a decorative element for the top. But other than that, it turned out quite well. This is a beautiful organization box for special memorabilia, from your newborn hospital band to ancestral photos and trinkets. All stored in a gorgeous package on top of your bookshelf, desk, or side table. Or it can be used simply as a vanity box for cotton balls, pads, and swabs. The uses are endless. I hope you guys like this. DIY was very easy, wasn't it? And I hope you try it at home. I think you'll be very happy with it. I will see you on the next video. Smooches!